orange. As in, naihat talaga. Mga 8 minutes na lang ang orange. Balik-balik. Let it burn! Let it burn! Let it burn! Let it burn! Tama ba? Let it burn! Let it burn! Let it burn! Oh! Ginising ko! Oh my God!
Well, Philippine treasure maker.